How to remove wrinkles under the eyes naturally. Homemade remedies for wrinkles. The skin around your eyes is one of the thinnest and weakest skin areas in the body. Therefore, wrinkles around your eyes, age spots, and dark circles are very common around this part of the body, and many are quite noticeable. Often, this can make you look and feel a lot older than you are. There are many ways to firm up those wrinkles around your eyes, such as lifestyle changes, skin treatments, and homemade remedies. Lifestyle changes. Certain aspects of our lifestyles can cause increased wrinkles around the eyes, and there are several natural ways of making changes that can firm up those eyes. According to the American Academy of Dermatology, frowning and other facial expressions wrinkles the skin around the eyes. Thus, turning that frown upside down is important to shed those wrinkles. Smoking releases free radicals into our body, which can damage your skin cells, so making efforts to quit smoking can make a huge difference. It is also important to protect the skin from sun, as sunlight can damage the skin cells, which causes hyperpigmentation. Sunglasses and sun lotion are recommended, especially during the summer season. Homemade remedies. Castor oil. The skin under our eyes is exceptionally delicate and requires regular daily moisturizing. Castor oil is a fantastic moisturizer that can be used regularly to keep the eyes wrinkle-free. Only a small amount is needed. Just rub a little amount of castor oil directly under the eye. It is best if left on overnight, as the thick consistency of castor oil will moisturize over time and prevent wrinkles from appearing. Rosemary. Massaging the skin gently with rosemary for a few seconds daily can assist in getting rid of wrinkles, as well as preventing wrinkles from forming. Rosemary also protects, moisturizes, and nourishes the skin, giving you a healthy and younger-looking glow. Vitamin C. When we are younger, our bodies are full of vitamin C. As we age, the amount of vitamin C in our bodies is reduced. However, it is still vital to maintain healthy-looking skin by increasing the amount of vitamin C in your diet. Doing that consistently will and can repair wrinkles as well as sun damage around the eyes. Intake of other nutrients and minerals such as copper, which can help form collagen and support skin structure, could help. It is not advised to consume copper in large quantities. However, copper creams are very beneficial in general. These homemade remedies are some of the most effective ways to remove wrinkles under the eyes. If you are concerned about your eye wrinkles, give the tips mentioned in the video a try. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.